Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Bima Maulana. Majoring is musical engineering education at Padang State University. In this presentation, I'm to meet the English engineering segment. Well, in this presentation, I will try to explain about the function and ability. And for the first one, next. And number one is the section and function. This is section and function, windscreen wiper, steering wheel, brake, battery, radiator, dynamo, engine, and gearless. And stop the car. This function steer the car. And this function clean the windscreen. And function battery store electricity. And function radiator is called the engine. Dynamo function is generate electricity, and engine provider to power. Next, the example. What does the gearbox do? The gearbox control the engine speed. And what is the gearbox used for? The gearbox is used for controlling the engine speed. And what does the brake do? The brake stop the car. What is the brake used for? The brake is used for stopping the car. And what does the steering wheel do? The steering wheel steer the car. What is the steering wheel used for? The steering wheel is used steering the car. What does this windscreen wiper do? When the windscreen wiper clean the windscreen. What is with the windscreen wiper used for? The windscreen wiper is used cleaning the windscreen. And next, what does the battery do? The battery store electricity. And what is the battery used for? The battery is used to store electricity. And next, what does the radiator do? The radiator cool the engine. And what is the radiator used for? The radiator is used cooling the engine. What does the dynamo do? Dynamo generate electricity. And what is the dynamo used for? Dynamo is used generating electricity. What does the engine do? The engine provides the power. And what is the engine used for? The engine is used providing the power. And next, the dynamo server to generate electricity. And the brake serve to slow the car. The steering wheel serve to direct the car. The windscreen wiper serve to clean the windscreen. The battery server to store electricity. And the radiator server to cool the engine. And next, this is look and read thermometer, stopper, alcohol, distillation flux, distillation air, weather, and also treatment. Cold weather. And next, the function of the thermometer is to measurement the temperature. The solution. The stopper is to collect the condensation alcohol. The Bunsen burner is to heat the liquid. And the lock at the top of the condenser is to conduct cold weather in. Next, from electrical supply, the weather supply, provider weather, and weather pipe conducts weather from the weather supply. To control the supply of weather, bulb, switch, and rubber pipe. Now complete the sentence. The electrical supply provider electrical. The bulb conduct light. The wire conduct electrical from the electricity supply to the light. And next, section 2, instrument. And this is thermometer, this is clock, this is barometer, this is microscope, and this is telescope, balance, sink, test tube, Bunsen, funnel, stand, and cup. And thermometer, an instrument for measuring temperature. Telescope, a device for looking at distant objects. Sink, a place for washing things. Bunsen burner, a device for supplying heat. And next, balance, an instrument for weighing things. Next, in car, this is speedometer, water, temperature, gauge oil pressure, door handle, clutch, brake, accelerator pedal, gear lever, and starter switch. The means with the help of control, the driver can. And a similar sentence from this table. The door handle, enable to drive to get in and out. And steering wheel, enable to drive to steer a car. And seat adjuster, enable to drive to adjust the seat. The gear lever, enables to drive to change gears. Next, the brake pedal enable drive to stop the car. The oil pressure gauge enable to drive check the oil pressure, and speedometer to check the speed, and starter switch enable to drive to control the speed. And this finally, thanks for your kind attention and thanks for watching. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.